Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy Ukatlego Ntaria Namula aka Mr. Soweto Kafela Moteba aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to Ikwata Nche bafethu. Welcome to a PSE channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uti Soweto Siketo currently sell food bafethu. Your number one selling place. You know, we are not just selling a makota, we sell like proper food. And the good look that's why about the food bar. Jengasepang, it's a way bar. I can't take a but then just to give you a recap, last week we shoot episode 2. We had said news, this is via Mocha Love, you understand? Because I understand why, like, from the government, they feed from the poor. Yeah. Even Lava who cooperate, they feed from the poor. Like, it feels like an episode last week.
Yeah, like this is you know, because umuntu ongawazi ukusiza uye lokho nyathelela past then awusana hope anymore.
Aisha mfethu.
The very same end kumele ngabe yakusiza wena iyekushaya. It's like and then uzophephela phi manje.
Shuthi imali.
Yeah, imali. Yeah, especially laba abakhohlwalele vele bayifuna yonke, it's never enough.
Hayi. Kunzima ntwana yami. I'll just introduce my sister bafethu. My sister uzolisha igama lakhe nesibongo nokuthi uyava kahle but then she's currently trending ngendaba yase spa deep blue spa ne so utrendela into leyo so uzontshela igama lakho bani nokuthi kwenzakalani uzosibonisa ama emotions wakhe. You'll try not to interact too much yabo because we feel like you need to vent out ukhuluma yabo so i-situation yakho ayina mebuzo eminingi wena uneyitolo ozositshela zona eziningi yeah ungaba uwe nje yabo.
Okay, njani my viewers, followers nonke nanguQueen.
Queen
Queen okay isibongo ngumazi ahlala la eKasi vele ngikhulela la ezone 1 la eDeep Cliff.
Yeah
akukho nje okuningi nje ngilo ntombazana yazwayo intombazana ophaphile nje ngi all over bangaziyo bazokutshela ukuthi oh lokhu uma kakhulu yeah ngilo girl nje lo so bengisebenza spa la Deep Cliff hayi la kuda uyazi vele mawuhlele for minyakanyana ungasebenzi mawuzothola opportunity vele duze naseKasi uyakwazi ukuzikhela uhambe okay hayi ngiyafika ngithola umsebenzi spa ngiyasebenza spa but uyabona nanoma ungena ku-environment uyabona manje ukuthi labantu okhuluma nabo outside nalabantu eninabo emsebenzini akufani so wena uthina yithi ngizireserve and ngithu scouthanyana ngibone ukuthi but you can tell ukuthi mana abantu abekho happy yazi into engilethela ukuyenzani ngifuna imali after all ngi-breadwinner ekhaya ngihlala nogogo kokwami nenza ama operation wami ehlakaboni hlala nomalume ngumntana oyiteenager wentombazana like ni single parent nje ngiyahlanganisa la ngihlanganisa khona but mawuthola umsebenzi nawe okay uyasho ukuthi okay at least izinto ziba right okay ahlahle mina ngicela ukusebenza eSpa March last year March yes 2024 which was at the end of March. Bengekho vele like before isikhathi I had like ama personal matters yazi njolo agile abafana ging after my years amgile ugela after 6 years ugela athi hayi futhi akuthi ngibuyele ekhaya ngiphanda buya ngathola umsebenzi okay sharp mangiya ngiqale as i-reliever eSpa ukuthi bafuna umuntu kuphi ebakery okay akunamuntu ebakery so bayasogola like ngokurepa ama buns yama cake in so by that time bengihola in 100 rand a day bengihola ngama Sunday so ngisebenze March
So mawubohola ngama Sunday bebakunika imali weekly
every week every Sunday bengithola imali
so
yes
kwelele viki where kangaki
bekudependa ngokuthi phela uMrs sijabule kanjani mama yeah
mara but still
average ngithi average mangisebenze kahle bengena 6 days ukuthi bengizohola imali 600 rand you understand okay so hi ngisebenze which is March angithi April bathi no man, since ama-kesha ayashoda and it's the busiest time, sikususe bakery ube yini emathilini. You understand? Okay, I don't mind. Anyway, kanjalo you get to learn ama-department amaningi get experience kungukuthi from a bakery closer to HMR, which nenaze zikishi. So I would go like magngekho busy ngincede HMR yabo, like ngifuna ukuzijwayisa like yabo emathilini ngisayine i-contract. It was the 27th of April. Kungukuthi i-contract le ngisayinayo i-contract ye-3 months. So iqala ngifuna nje ukuqala yonke nje ukuthi so masibala ngizonitshela ukuthi why ngithi ngifuna sibalele. It's April angithi May June ne athi hayi April ngeke sikhona sebenza sibone ukuthi uphusha kangakanani. Mind too much because kuyoshaya bani abo June labo no feedback ngiyasebenza kusho ukuthi ngifana nani fana nesipoko sasespa. Sengilibele because ngo April bekumele sign ngithi futhi ugelwa change ama mind like ngifana nani nesipoko. You understand? Hayi okay, hayi ngiyasebenza akuna stress ngisebenzela kuphi emathilini. Comes to emathilini masingabantu asifana esipha ngitshele mongasimpimpa window. It's either mele ukhethe indlela yakho ukuthi uba yimpimpi or ufuna ukusebenza. And mawusebenza espa mawuzosebenza nokhanya you must know ukuthi mawugeza usula shame awusebhadini.
So
unawo ukhanyisile Bhengu is an HR manager yasespa. The very same person ayikuthi ngizothi engine esinenkinga nayo sibaningi. Hayi ugeli shame ngibekela umlando kageli ugeli vele is well known CMA SCMA well known. Lo muntu lona kusho ukuthi uqale ukuhlupha abantu from asebenze Hillbrow Spa bangaya eHillbrow Spa nayo kuza ukhanyisile Bhengu. Ngawuthela abantu abaningi ba dismiss unfairly kosha abantu for no futhi mangithandi ke igazi lakho enizokutshela ukuthi uzokufihlela uthi akakuthandi uzokutshela straight athi igazi lami nelakho alihambisana ngithandi angikufuni like akaga like here
nje akakuthandi
anazi ukuthi once sekakutshele kanjalo sekakuwe like sekasestikini nje kuwe like bekile. Okay, singiye for ivideo le trendayo ukuthi kuze because ngiyazi ukuthi emilomeni yabantu abaningi like ugeli uya complain ukuthi udismissiwe khona manje ufuna usizo lethu udismisselwe in. I've got nothing to hide. Ngizonitshela istory sami sokudismisswa ukuthi siqale kuphi kanjani because ngifuna abantu bazi ukuthi yini le ngilwelayo kahle kahle. It's not about imali. Okay, istory sami siqala nge 29 saka November. 29 zaka November around about 10:15. So kufika a customer lethu vele elikhulu vele usiphiwe usebenza mutual. Uyi financial advisor. Yawuza ukuthi ngithi yini? Financial advisor. If niyazi ukuthi labantu ukuthi bayenza ini and usebenza ecompany understand approve ama loan serious nani. Fika usiphiwe sisters unjani khona unemali ethile nginemali. Hayi ngifuna ukuthenga ngapha ngicela i-cashback. Vele ikhathi ukuthi abantu baholile ngithi. Ngifuna i-cashback emalini, ngifuna i-cashback ye-800 rand. Hayi akunankinga ntwana shaya ama-lecturing bekathenga ama-lecturing. Ngimenzele ini i-cashback. So amathili kakhulu asespa. If nje sikhuluma nje honest. Nama customer abanye azokutshela ajema amathili ethu. Ninokubona iline iba yinde. So ithili isuke lifrizile. You understand? Yes. So there are technical problems. That sometimes there are even technical problems where uthi uzothenga kimi ngithi ku ikhadi lakho aliprocessa ngipayment but mawubheka ifone sengikushayele kangaki kayi2
yo
that has happened.
Seyahlaya.
Yes, so yahlaya. Yayifuna imali yakho yona iyakuphi ku company. Maya ku company bazothini bayikhiphe emholweni yami babhadala wena mina ngeke basanginikeza leyo mali. Abanginiki ke angithi ngifuna ukubonisa buzana umazethi ngizoxoxela kaMazethi kuningi sazoxoxa nani nje.
Hayi wena mfana athi ngibhale no4
kuningi so okay customer tell cashback ithila livuleki uyazi ukuthi ithili mali nga ilip asiphumi kuthila elontuzaneni kuthil register without like makungaprocessanga next
Yeah.
uphume ilip ezi3 kusho ukuthi le lip maziphuma kuphuma ilip ezi3 vele espa ese customer ese store and then lesesinye sokusho ukuthi if uthengile and then it has been approved
Yeah.
so ziphume ithi lami lifreezile I supervisor yam on that day beku Rose okay hayi sisila sibizana sisila vele simfundisa isizulu simfundisa sisila hey nayithi kagogo wakho phela ivuleki uRosie supervisor utheniwe angeke ngivulele ithini ngithi kuvula ithini kumele ngiphi customer imali ayenze kumele wenze ubheke ukuthi kamampela lento engikutshela yona yini iqiniso athathe ilip afunde ilip hey okay sisila angivulele ithini uphethe authorization letter anginayo mina khiphela icustomer imali hayi shontwana 800 yakho nayi untwana hamba ngisebenze ngiqhubeke ngene shift yango 8 yango 11 chesa ngo 8 hayi sister simela chayise phela ngo 8 o'clock ya balance phela manje sekhiphe ne x riphomela ibheke ukuthi ngenze malini ilip zami ziphelele sisters ushota nge 800 rand
akadelelanga ukuthi what happened lapha ya ku situation ka Siphiwe
uSiphiwe bangivulela ithili ngayikhipha imali isupervisor ibheke ilip savula sanikeza icustomer kwabakuphela sasebenza guys yini 8 o'clock kumele ngicash up
Yo.
weekend shota nge 800
Yo.
800 rand guys nanoma ngathozo jonje ethili njojo nje 800 rand
Ivalo.
into eborayo ngesystem yasespam uzoshota ayisho ukuthi ushota ngehard cash or ushota kuma transaction la a technical you understand
isho ukuthi uyashota
ay manay
Nge
800 kungukuthi lento lebathayele vele ukusurobha bazirufa imali bathi bhatale wena ukuthi ungaxoshwe emsebenzini hey
Should le 8 clip
le 800 mina sekumele ngikhiphe kimi ngithi mina yabona mina into mangayenzanga guys angiyenzanga ngithi yabona futhi benikesha phisa uPenelope ilanga lakhona yabona abantu abazukudumula kaPenelope abazoqoqela yabona abamazile loya bazoqoqela udumo lwakhe ngithi mina Penelope angeke ngize ngibhadala imali engayazi ukubonisa ukuthi le mali lena ngiyazi cela ukuyaphezulu nyakuphi kukhanya khuphuka vele idebhisi hey sisikanye cash up la ngishoda nge800 ngicela unginvestigate ngithini
ngicela unginvestigate
thathi bag yami yaphuma lehamba hayi man lento angidla man 800 rand
eclaps
nanoma ngathi ukuthi or khona umuntu ongimnikeza imali double or khona hayi mara it can't be yabona noma ngathi uyashota like like boma 50-60 rand you understand but imali engaka
siyalazi udzaba
lento lena yingilalisa ebusuku hayi the next morning ngiyangena ngene kuseni ke shift yasekuseni mangiseza ngasesquare hayi man avele mina ngumuntu anginasisifuba samanyala yabona ngingakanani aba ngiyakhuluma so guys ngishode nge800 zingishubele ngiyazi bazothi le mali ngithathile hayi uSiphiwe hayi ntwana ungathuki ngibuya la isipani sakho bengikufuna hawu ngifuna nani kuze bani uKatlego lo ngenze nayo ivideo bekuyishift kabani kaKatlego Katlego kantwana osawara 800 kiye ithola geni customer ibilani ifair itlisa chelete itlisa liproof yauri what happened umuntu shota kayini ka 800 rand yo ngithe uNkulunkulu ngikhulu hayi okay asambeni sobonisa ukhanye ke yabo hayi sisikhanye nali customer lilethe imali lilethe nani nefone angithi yabona ifone mawuthenga iyasho ukuthi debited kune and then kusho ukuthi idebite out of account kaSiphiwe yaphinda yenzani ya reverse yabuyela back to 800 rand so kusho ukuthi angeke reflect ku system yakuphi yasespam
ngapha
sengimnikile cash uSiphiwe fair enough yabuyela ina 800 rand khanye yangifune 800 lo mfana lo mtshela ukuthi aze ne bank statement
yani manje
usibathi bank statement into private and mina ngisebenza ngeimali eziserious but ngiyakubonisa efonini ukuthi kwenzakale in lento le technical error
no
you sisters athi kuSiphiwe engazongitshela mina lo angisamfuni la lo ngifuna ukumxosha
hayibo
kanjalo nje yabona la iPhone hawu ukathokathi mara sisikhanye mara nawe noma ngathuni nenhliziyo embi ufuna ukumxosha icustomer libuyisa imali like hayi iboyfriend yakhe guys nistabane mina ifanazi
Wistabana.
mina ngisithabani
Wistabana into.
like mina ngisijolana nabo girl mina ngine wife
Hayi wena.
so yena bakazothi usiphiwe ihusband usiphiwe iboyfriend yami yabo ukuthi uyangithuka
Uyakuthuka.
uyangidiscriminate yabo uyangidiscriminate
Ama rights wa.
you understand engagwe espa phakathi akhona
Enye wife.
akhona yena maqeda azothi mina ngijola noSiphiwe iyenza sense
Ayenze.
hayi athi uSiphiwe yazo sisi lo ngijwayela kabi kahle kahle ithi ngisolvele lento ahamba emsebenzini wakhe abhale i-email to head officer sespa banga respond abhalele yini ayiphitha asintwana yazi ukubonisa ukuthi lento lena ukhanya yasibhedela angihambe epolice station ne nje ukuthi if besitshontsha lo muntu udila ngemali enkulu bekazo epolice station ayenza uDavid
after David.
yes
Kuna ma cashback wakhe.
yeah ukuthi what transpired that day ukuthi kwenzakale ini
On the 29th of November 2024 around 10 a.m. I went for Spa Deep Loop to buy and ask for a cashback. It is belong of which of maphoyisa wazobhala. Of which
angcono amaphoyisa
yes yes.
of which ya mama
Yo.
silungisa again
Hayi bafethu abantu babeka amagama kanje. Of which there was a technical error with their system and it was approved and the till never opened with the supervisor. Come to the authorization and bekumele bathi come to authorize the till and give me the la muntu akaphala lana mele bayabuyela ka matric.
ayibona
Hayi.
but okay it's fine so mina into
Still
ngizokuadvise
izokushaya nayo funda ezwe.
Yeah, ungabuqhubeka.
into usiphathi into engizokuadvise ngayo ngithi mina
Yasibona
ngiyazi
lesilungu.
ukuthi kwenzakale ini hamba uye CCMA yovula ini icase
Yebo.
Ubhale kahle inkantolo inkinga.
ama uGeorge akusawa wonke umuntu guys yazi
Hayi.
akusawa wonke umuntu uGeorge
Mara like wewe usimpiwe ubhalelane.
uye yakwenza
Uyasibhalela,
yes
I mean,
no uye police station akakwazi ukusibheka ngakho ukuthi he's a financial advisor so kumele yonke into ayenzayo ibe because angeke uapprove abantu imali eserious makeda wena futhi bazothi sithathe 800 rand guys 800 rand
Hayi.
hayi athambe CCMA ngithi yazi before ngeCCMA
Supervised.
mina ngicela ukubuza ugela ukuthi makazothi kimi ufuna ungixosha ngaziphi yabo ngisabuza angilwi
Yeah.
hayikhuphuka usisikhanye mawuthi kimi awufuna
Awasha.
800 rand uyangixosha ngaziphi athi hayi queen wena utshontshe 800 rand ngithi phone customer nanoma selilethe imali still uthi ngitshontshe 800 rand
Yeah.
angithi lapha espark nama camera
Ah.
uyasibona
Explain yona lento eshona.
uyasibona
Exactly the way
masingaxokanga uyasibona
Nawe ibhale ngeveni.
masiye toilet isikhathi eside uyasibona but for ama case aso awukwazi ukudonsa footage ngathi mina ngicela ungidonsele ifootage yami that day ungitshele ukuthi yini wrong engiyenzile
Oyenzile yeah.
athi ngithi angifuni ukwazi next ngiyaxosha
Hayibo.
bambe ngama-washing ne so office like hey yazi ingqondo ibuyi lo mangamshaya ngizoluza everything
Yeah.
like ngizoluza like
Sikazovulela wena icase
how
mara
atype i-letter of i-termination of contract
Okay.
Yeah.
ngithi mina yabona mina nanoma ungangicaka kanjani ukuthi bathi khuluma kakhulu basijayivela ngama-weekend yabona uma kufika esilungini zokudabula
Ushaya.
sayini udoda engawazi
This
mina.
bamba believe
mina
you don't talk.
mawuzothi termination of contract terminate i-contract yami ngaziphi
Yiphi contract?
ngithi ke ngicocela bona mafuna uterminate i-contract yami hamba ngibizele iloya ngizosayina ngaso kwamanje mawenza so yangihlanyela wena
Ayiswala.
phume thatha ibag ngihambe
Swala.
mangihamba athi kuma security ngicela le ndlavini awuzubiza bani mina
Ngendlavini.
hawo bantu isidudla senkosi singangeni la ispa kusho ukuthi utheni ngingasabuye emsebenzini guys okay ngihlale the next day ngemsebenzini abantu mabakhuluma uyawukhanya uthi nina nilwanga wena kahle kahle sekudlula amalanga akaza ngikuthi ngiphezukwana
Yeah.
akazi and it's towards December amakhampani amaningi avaliwe yabo CCMA kubusy
Yeah.
ngithalo ngizomhlasela kuna stress ngihambe ngeCCMA hayi Okay, ngihlombe ngihlasele ngithulele vele. Ngithi akunankinga vele nginenkinga. Ngidele stress weslusisi.
Yayibona lento.
Sithole date. First date se-CCMA dad. Nge-7 saka January. Se-CCMA. This is for consolation.
Yeah.
We process saka CCMA for a consolation is where the two parties hlala phansi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sisaxoxa before into iba legal, before yabo like sihlala phansi la siyaxoxa ukuthi kahle kahle sincedana kanjani. Okay, hlale phansi CCMAs, okay bayabuza ukuthi okay kwenzakala that day. Angithi angeke bamamele mina kuphela, they listen to the two sides
Of the
to
story.
every story angithi. Okay, ngixoxe mina indaba yami kwenzeke kanje axoxa indaba yakhe ukuthi kwenzeke kanje kanje. Okay, i-commissioner ithi kuye bathi le matter le simple ningayi resolve. Sisi ufuna ini? Yabo bayangibuza sisi ufuna ini? Ngithi mina ukugain imali angeke ngize ingisize. Mina at the end of the day kumele ngisebenze. Mina ngicela ukubuyela kuphi emsebenzini. Ngihambe ngiyosebenza. Athi ungazongidakela wena ubuyela kuphi emsebenzini kuphi. Mina no VJ yawuzwa thini mina no VJ asikufuni la store. Umnikazi we store.
Oh, so umnikazi wespa.
Yeah, yena kusho ukuthi seke ummeli ka VJ.
Oh.
Yeah, because yena washo wathi store sakubo lesi. Okay, hayi. Okay, hayi angifuni ke. Okay, manje ngifuni ke ngiphela umkholo wami 2 months. Although ngeke uncede ngane guys umkholo wami 2 months. Bengahola imali e10. Mangithi ngizonitshela nje basically ukuthi la bese urojwa futhi nokurojwa. Imali bengihola mina ngicela ukusebenza lama hour ngiwasebenzile 180 hours nale mali bengirate. Bengihola 5,150 rand.
Yo.
But mawuthi ubala le mali engirate-ayo nama hours engiwasebenzile 100 bekumele kube ngiphuma esipanga bo 6,200 or something. But le enye imali mawuthi uyambuza kutshela ukuthi yekele sizoyiresolve.
Ebana. Resolve every month. Every month akudabula again. Okay.
Uzokudabula yena.
Manje lokwathi
So resolve sesibaningi ngabe sibawe ubuza ukuthi bahole imali ngizobonisa nama message ukuthi abantu ngoDecember bahole imali ngiyafika ngizobona.
Wozana.
Awubona ngikholobi.
Hayi okay. Athi yena mina ngikwazi ukukhuluma ngendaba yemali. UVJ angimtholi. Yes uVJ guys namanje ngingayisiba uVJ uhleza la store. But uVJ
after the podcast.
So so uVJ makumele solve indaba ezenzeke e-store akatholakali esiconcern ubu-unfair but makazela izinto uya he's fully aware leyo guys zote ningakhohlwa uVJ phela kuba only fruit lovers lo muntu esikhuluma ngayo phela ispa before kuba ispa
fruit lovers vele
fruit lovers kuzizovala bathola ine store igundwane
abantu
abaxoshwa from a fruit lovers. I think now it's been more than 6 or 7 years abakayitholi imali yabo ye-UIF even day today
ngenxa yegundwane futhi
abangaholi imali zabo ze-UIF.
So lo muntu change fruit lovers
bona kuphela
uyabona
same brand.
So ukuthi labantu ababaxoshile basasekhona
labantu laba bathole fruit lovers negunda sasebenziswa same equipment same everything into echangile yini isystem emathilini ukuthi ibhalwe ini islip nje sithi nje spa.
Okay.
Mara kahle fruit lovers
VJ store package VJ ikula guys
oh isiphile ikula leli manje masilutha lamakula lawa kusho ukuthi nase spamele si
niyekeleni
besingazi
mara phela mhlawumbe unayo angeke azabuleki angana
okay hayi
no yabona luthela maphepha la
asiluthela condition of store inside
correct
akukho right nje
nje akukho nje beyincane
hayibo
west
kanjani
mangichaza mangithi uwest I think ama customer baningi abantu niye na ku Facebook niye na ku because indaba yamphuma ku news nexus layer ku TikTok customers have been complaining nama 10 each and every day ikheke thina ngitshela mina bengisebenza mina ngikhuluma ngento ekhulunywa yimi mina
wena nqo
mina angishuka quote mina bengisebenza iyenzwa yimi mina ne footage yakhona bayikhiphe babona ukuthi yimi bengirapper through ama instruction engwathole kuphi phezulu phela nami ngifuna isingo ikheke uyalibamba ulithi iflipper ukuthi expire today nawathatha nawafaka etroleni wabamba ulithi malisasetofotofo double yabona i-packaging siyayirepha ngiyahamba ngiyenza ini util roll i-date enye nginikeza ini i-long life i-shelf
food poisoning.
yes ekishini ama-grave wendaweni wadlayo ukudla ama-veggie athathwe from yabona makuletha istoko masiletha kunamatamata azosquasheka yabona la ngathi iyo laba niphekela ngawo ukudla nibona nihuda nini ningathani kaze nagula nidla ukudla kwasespa don't lie
iswa umuntu anama-stomach cramps kanje
and uya every day espa
mfethu
ukudla lokho enikutholayo kwamaplate ukudla yabona like lapha ku-display ngi-display so after ukudisplaya that food akuthengwanga ngithi anikuthenganga bayakuthatha and then bakurephe bakuyenze ini amaplate niyadla nina and then kube khona umuntu ozokubuza ukuthi hayi bakhwini why bongakhuluma indaba ekanti usasebenza sibagayizi nomndeni kumele ngufide like angeke ngize ngitshela manga akho umuntu nje ongavele nje asukele kasiphuthisa inkomlomeni I had a family to feed me I had a family to feed knowing very well ukuthi basenzani kulesa store and what is going on lapha kulesa store knowing very well
guys iphepha leli liyasho ukuthi i-case bay dismissiwe so should bengana conclusion
bekana nje conclusion sibuyele back to CCMA
okay
hambe sithola okay each and every day date CCMA banikeza 14 days to resolve the matter after the last year ngiyiwanza ka January ngithi sibuyele nge4 zaka February manje siceda ukubuyela CCMA hayi sifike CCMA bathi okay khona manje sisibuyela in reconciliation kusho ukuthi manje icala manje seli on manje akusakhulumi mina akusakhuluma ukhangi sekukhuluma iCommissioner ngento abayibiza iCommissioner yiyo manje kumele ikhiphe iverdict ukuthi wenzakalani hlale phansi neCommissioner you are allowed to bring ama witnesses akho any documents which you have any WhatsApp like lapho you like yakhipha
fana nala
yakhipha lapha hayi okay sesihlele CCMA okay guys what happened la mama Daphne la it's not about ubani uphushe bani wenze ini sicela ukubuza khangisa into iHR manager iprocedure yokuxosha umuntu ulandela ini kuqala okay uyambiza umnikeza iwarning maqeda ukumnikeza iwarning wenza ini uya ku hearing after hearing if that person is found guilty uya dismiss zonke lezi zinto zibalile ke sis. Did you do them case ngakhulu? No. Isn't that unfair dismissal?
Unfair dismissal.
Sisufuna ingcela umkholo wami 2 months. Phela ayi ngikone. Vijay angimtholi. Uvijay usemithini. Lo mama tsayi mina khanya ucanga ukuthi la sizodlala la. Angithi uyazi ukuthi usemithini. Fonela anybody lapho kule meeting atshela umuntu ukuthi uQueen nampatala uQueen aphume kini. Athi yena uVijay sithi asimtholi ngicela upostpone icase. Hey? Ngithi mara ngiyagibela ngiza la every day angithola usizo kanti kwenzakalani
baze ba postpone and abamentionile la ukuthi
I postpone and this could have been hayi ngithi okay akunankinga sengizomela nina in i-date ukuthi sizobuya athi la mina I strongly advise you guys ukuthi iSPA must resolve this matter before le matter le iba out of hand because bakurongile and they don't want to do into right
and nje usifunela nje umkholo wakho
wethu ngithi hayi mina yazi if anginceda ngcono ngiye ku social media because manje ngenzwe iPopeye like too much yabo hayi ngihlale ngicela usizo hey guys like ngiyakhuluma vele guys yo ngicela usizo ngaya kuphi social media platform okay ngithola umuntu somlungu athi ngicela uze ku Newsnet just do a video for me
okay
let's let the South African judge and see ukuthi uyakuphi okay ngenza i-video ithe mayiceda ukuphuma ka TikTok ngeke ngibelieve ukuthi ngifonela nobani fonele lo yasespam Mr. Mambe angifonela I have a second video ku social media I think anzani ibona there's a second video engiyenzile
okay
so now the lawyer is offering me a retrenchment letter guys angifundanga kangako mina retrenchment letter bayinikeza umuntu onjani sisi
bayinikeza umuntu othathiwe permanent akithi ukhampani and then wena bungasananga contract nendala wakhe ukusebenza khona
ninxoshile unfair
And
aniphanga amaphepha wami we-UIF ukuthi abantwana bami bazokhona ukuthola i-uniform nani ikolo zizovula ningixosha ngoNovember December kumele ngihlanganise ukudla endlini nani aningicabangelanga but manje because of ngenza ivideo ku social media you want to offer me a retrenchment
Aibo, it doesn't even make sense.
ngiyisa kuphi retrenchment letter ngiyabuza phela nami okay manje ngi-offer retrenchment letter nithi ngiyithathe ngiyise kuphi bathi retrenchment letter zobhala the way you hard working ngakhona the way you are good employee ngakhona ukuthi mayofuna umsebenzi uzosheshe uthole omunye umsebenzi ngathi yabona nina nangihlangene yabona noma ngathi
bayakuyisa noma ukubuya kokuqala ne and then the second time uthi uzifunela nje
imali yakho
2 months
so bona still abakuyisa but instead bafuna ukwenza right
bayenza fraud worse
more fraud because manje sebeyokhuluma amanga just because abafuna ukubhadala
understand ukuthi senjani manje lenyanga
sekunobugebengu phakathi
sekunobugebengu ngaphakathi ay mina ngisazi manje okay singene social media ngenza ivideo guys cela usizo lwenu wenzeke 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 so ngenza kanjani makuso comment abani bona abantu basespa hey ujeopardize case yakho uVJ bekazokunika manje ukhalela 10000 ngizoyenza nge 10000 guys angina ne parking space kit bengiyothenga imoto bengizoyipaka phi
10,000
no like if bazothi ngikhalela 10 bengizoyenza ini leyo mali leyo ngiyabatshela ngithi this is not about imali this is about the treatment as spa guys yabheda I won't lie to you early last year mina ngiwile spa ngiwile ngihlala emaCreighton espa emathilini
hayibo usebenza kanjani
guys ngasikhathi sidudla Mavis
noma kubanda uhlele eCreighton
akuna nomnyango ke dali ukuthi yabona njengabo Pick n Pay ukuthi bangaphakathi yabona lamakula la manje aceda ukungena ane-lighting door abangena imoya thina kushaya ukubhebhezela umoya kunje ngihlala eCreighton mina ethilini ngawa mina emsebenzini early last year ngihlele eCreighton ngalimala isikhathi lwascora to 12 isandla sidumbile singaka ngiwile bangibonile kunama supervisor on shift kune regional manager umuzi on the floor do you know ukuthi what ngatshela ukuthini ngatshela ukuthi sisebenza uyafake injury mara ngiwe bangibhekile ngawa ngahlalela isandla
ufike ukudumba
yasibona isandla sami ukuthi njani asifani nalesi asifani izandla zami
since
ngalimala ngalelo langa and mind two guys mina ngine major surgery ngakhipha inyongo igallbladder so yes isisu sami sibambe yini ama staples nginensimbi esiswini so I was strongly advised lebhara ukuthini I must not do any physical activity or in the file amasebhara prove I've got everything
khona la
hayi ngiphethe namajamshe mabakhiphe esiswini funa babona abantwana bami
yo guys
uphethe le pikiri zakho
ngiphethe nayi lapha back so ngawa ngalimala so ngine operation mina la so ngithe mangiwa nga affecta in operation yami so
1 minute okay nithi ba charge kancane amabhedi yo kanti kunimisebenze kanti esiphakenyeyo
ngawa mina nawo amathi bakhipha phakathi kwenyongo yami
enemfethi
ngathi bakhamse kublazo bayakusmayelela kanti ilanyiwe crazy school city awuna choice ukuthi
umuntu lapha yaphithela
kuphi
last
abana yazi khona manje ngi-advise ukuthi wenze hamba uthenga noma isweet ufike ubabuze ukuthi ni right emoyeni ufike ukuthi ni right emoyeni
okay so from lana uzoqala we azokhipha
emfitra record
mina ngenze grocery spa ne so bafethu njengoba nazi ukuthi se-food bar bafethu make sure you pull up and come get yourself proper food sinamancina sinomrholu sineskopo sinamakota and like different varieties of food we do have, so pull up and have fun with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. uthi Soweto Sigeto. As we hop in the questions babonisa ukuthi senza kanjani. So awuthi siwabona amabullet.
So the time yenza operation ebhara na into abayikhipha kimi ngaphakathi kunyongo.
I tell you
So I don't have inyongo mina isisu sami ihleli ngama staples.
inyongo yomuntu.
Yeah, bese seyibolile like
ungakwazi
inside.
ukubamba kanje bayibona.
Nine. So isisu sami sineyinsimbi guys ngama
So nathi sinalezi zinto lezi phakathi.
Hayi yakhi fresh angithi hambe ngekho fresh, it was damaged. So bavele ba decide ukukhipha in gallbladder yonke because bengasekho healthy.
Okay, yeah.
Do you understand? So I don't have gallbladder and uyazi gallbladder ibamba between
Yeah.
ukudla your esophagus to isisu la phakathi la
Yeah.
isisu sami la sibambe ngami.
Ew.
Yes, so ngithema ngiwa nga affecta in operation ngaphakathi. So bathi ke mayazenzisi niwe emsebenzini there are people phakathi bathe uyazenzisa lo akasebenzi ngiwe ngabo kora to 12. Do you know ukuthi kube bengasi customer because angithi isandla silimele ngisakuka izinto ngisaskena ngiyathengisa umunye umama athi no man lo muntu noma nithi uyazenzisa but isandla sibona siyadumba sichange ikhala
Akusho
anina feeling kunala kubhlungu khona kini ukuthi lo muntu lo ulimele bathe sukuma hamba uye clinic ne mphuma ngi1 angikhashwa umuntu akekho umuntu ongikhaphayo uthi ngeclinic ngihamba ngi1 ngilimele dala ngikhala ngepain ngiphethwe ipain
bathu
namanga hambe ngeclinic hawu mangifika eclinic bangicheck isandla bathi sisi because of isikhathi ofika ngaso bekumele ukuthi sikuthumele kuphi eKosi because la asinani x-ray but if uyafila kusasa ukuthi awukwazi ukulala uzobuya sizokunikeza incwadi uhamba eKosi okwamanje sokunikeza amaphilisi bangihlabe ngithe yazi angikwazi ukubuyela emsebenzini ngingenani incwadi because angeke ngihole and bazothi namanga okay hayi banginikeze incwadi okay mabanginikeza incwadi ibhale ukuthi ngingahlala ekhaya for 3 days
Okay.
ngingayi emsebenzini and mangena futhi emsebenzini mphume ngiwana ke kumuntu ongikhaphile ubonisa ukuthi angifake ne-injury ngiyabuye futhi sisikhanyi lowo
The same person.
khanyi silebhengu khanyi sisikhanyi nayi incwadi bathi ngihlale 3 days how 3 days for isandla kuphela
Hayibo.
Ah.
Sidumbile leso sandla lesidumbele la emsebenzini ngoba bathi
guys nithenga impuphu nithenga amasaka wama-anyanisi
unenhliziyo enjani lo muntu wena?
lo muntu lona akana nembeza
ngeke akana.
akana nembeza lo muntu
Hayi.
if wonke umuntu angakhala ngawe and then who are we phela mina kuze ngenze yonke lento I need help from yena lo muntu kube yi-nightmare kimi empilweni yami
Oh, okay, uyafika neletha.
ngiyamnikeza ngiyahlala 3 days yahamba yandlula month end kumele ngihole imali yami ishoda ngemali 3 days hayibo mara ngihambisile iletha guys
Ulimele emsebenzini.
Hawu.
anibhalanga injury at work abanyisanga kudoctor cabanga athi hayi wena usho ukuthi uwile noma khona okuphushini ngithi mara sisikhanya une-footage kanti yini engaka do you know like lento lena
Ulimele emsebenzini noma ngiphushile.
this thing was a personal agenda guys ngitshela that lady is
Like ulimale emsebenzini.
You were on duty.
I was on duty hayi ukuthi bengikuphi or no I was on duty like phakathi
Yo.
phakathi guys
Yes. So nje ispa. Ukudla kwase spa.
khohlwana forget it
Kuzokuthi basidlisa uDogo. Banihlukumeza abanye na staff.
wama-customer yakubona lokho ngike ngakuseva mina
Ngiyakhumbula vele
wangithola ngikhala wangibuza ngathi ukuthi angina-choice mele ngisebenze mele angina-choice
mina like kama bengiyathengisa because grocery yami ngiyenza spa yabo but namangakhulu but talking to my own experience yabo hayi ukuthi bangivulele icase nami ngicustomer ngithi bathi customer
complain
yeah
is
in right as a customer hayi ukuthi ngigxeke spa or
Yeah.
ngiyayithenga inyama yase spa ne inyama yase spa last like mina mangirenge vari mina eside in love angazi ukuthi bona bazoyithatha kanjani but ngabe bekune complaint box bekuzoba into engizoyifaka khona
Bathi uzocomplainela into eyenzwa ngamabomu.
bakuthola phi lokho
Namanje nje bayachange.
Ukudla espa baya order laba order khona. Lento engitshela ukuthi masiseshaya the certain date, it's re-wrapped.
Ooh.
It is re-wrapped inyama. Yabona if you think ukuthi maybe I'm doing this ukugcikela ispa phansi or in ngicela i-Department of Health. Ngicela i-Department of Labor. Ngicela nama-hawks azokwazi ukusiza ini i-footage. Bazokwazi ukusibhekela i-footage ukuthi kwenzakala ini.
yeah
And then lapho mina if i-Department of Health iseyenze yonke lento lena and bathi abatholi next, I'll be the one national ozothi I'm sorry to spa. They can take any measures abafunayo.
yeah enhle yazi mina bengicabangani akusuke yiwani efayisa lento le
Yeah.
baningi abantu abayifayisa lento le and not only as spa ema shop different yabo so mina bengicabanga abafethi ukuthi hayi boycott
Dala ngibiza idudula.
assignment to strike abafethi
Mina
spa
ngibize idudula ngabiza yo abantu
ifikile idudula
idudula ngicomplaine na before ngizoxoshwa. Ngisawa. Ngithi guys ngicela usizo nange treatment yase spa.
no like abantu base spa bagolisa ama local members wethu you
Yeah.
understand
So sithamakula.
yeah silole sithi amakulu ama-container kanti kunamakulu emamoleni so bafethu bengicela siprotesteni sambeni siyene spa if kumele sizicheckele thina because angeke yenzeke lento le bese siyathula siyabheka yeah because lento le ibhale expire namhlanje ningiphindele wena kusasa
Kumele senze kanjani phela kumele ngikube neloss.
mara mele kube neloss emphakathini
Ikunjani?
so akumele kube neloss estore mara mele kube neloss emphakathini
Nathi
Kahle kahle.
kusacrificewa ngathi if mina ngiba yi-whistleblower towards nina. Mina ngiyaxoshwa
No,
if angixoshwa umkholo wami uyashoda wena ukhuluma kakhulu.
Awu.
So yiphi kumele ngiyenze which is which?
And ngapha manje umntana uzoba kubhekile kuseni.
Yeah.
Mama ngilambile.
Ulambile
So,
ngizo
i-must
like
usebenze.
i-must ukuthi ngisebenze nanoma uthukwa utshelwa ukuthi mina bengitshela ukuthi ngitshontshe imali zomlungu ethilini.
Hayibo.
Mawuzuxokile.
enhle kwena why wakusola ngokutshontsha
Yakusiyimi kuphela dad mina.
baningi
Ukumeza nje nibaningi.
Sibaningi.
abanye bafela ngaphakathi
Hayi abanye baze bangalile. Ngizokutshela
yeah
abantu
because kunalo sisi bengithanda ukuthenga ngisamboni
Yes.
lo walapha ekhoneni
sibaningi abantu abangalile estoro. I think it's more than 12 people to 15 people khona manje. Bonke labantu abakhona lapha nabantu abasha. Abantu bangalile espa.
Nabo basazo.
They still have matters.
Ah.
Kunentombazane beyisebenza e-camera room ukhombisile igama lakhe. Uzokunikeza ama contacts kaKhombisile. uKhombisile bekasebenza e-camera room which is i-security angithi. uKhombisile uVJ unenye company another ngizothini kufana ukuthi company garage.
yeah
So bebamdlela imali egarage.
yeah
So we understand uKhombisile usayini contract yakuphi yase spa.
yeah
But kumele athatha ama expertise akhe ayobheka kuphi egarage
Garage.
ukuthi enegarage bekunani bekunabantu abathunyelwa ama hitmen ukuthi ayenzeni amoshe lapha ya
bebathumela
ama hitmen ukuthi azomosha
ama hitman
yebo
as in like inkari
ozo researcher la uzongazi kahle uKhombisile athi
ngisasene case enkulu kabi
uKhombisile athi I refuse ukusebenza egarage engilahlekelwe yimpilo mina ngenxa yokuthini ngisayine icontract yase-spa bathi yabona wena na incwadi e-warning
hayi we
after warning wena uya ku-hearing Khombisile wathi angina-stress the day uKhombisile beka ku-hearing bengiya ku-hearing mina
yeah
uKhombisile the day siya ku-hearing bese sekunomuntu ozo-replace uKhombisile yes uze nokhanya intombazana khona bekasebenza naye Hillbrow Spa.
So kanye uye lo uletha abantu khipha abantu.
Master
so awungitshele if le garage igadwa inkabi kusho ukuthi ukhanya unenkabi
kamnandi
and uzisebenzise labo bani
angazi usebenzise labo bani
Nempimbi nazo.
unempini mina yabona mina I'm still
No,
saying
mina
guys,
question
if i-South
azangathi
Africa-
ngiyabe ngibuza.
if i-South Africa if mina mele ngife ngifela into ekhona I don't mind. I'm still saying that man. It's not about imali. It's not about if I have to lose impilo yami to kulungisa ama mistake ka
Amanyana.
VJ nokhanya kum-expose ukukhohlakala kwakhe, then mina South Africa I'm staying it Queen.
So if anything happens to you, ukhaya.
Khanye vele.
I've got no doubt.
So Khanye makathandaze nje ungayi kwakuya ngoba wazi wena uphushwe
Ngithi
So,
yini,
Khanye-
I've got nothing to lose mina. If kumele ukuthi bekumele ngithule ngihlukumezekile, ngithule kumele ngondle umndeni wami for umuntu ongenandaba nomunye umuntu. And then ke
Cabanga yazi kuyo yonke lento eshoyo. Usakhalela nje ukholo wakhe we2 months. Cabanga 2 months.
Phela.
Cabanga nje.
angifuni into enye.
Walimala unandaba nalokho.
Angifuni like yabona angizange ngiyofala ne-injury at work. Ngiyele nje kusiseme ukuthi ungixosha kanjani ungakhulumanga nami.
Kahle.
Phela. Angifayelanga
man.
ukuthi ungilimazile ngiyagula ini lokho kube
Ukhiphe
after kube
ama-
nginama 100,000 serious.
Kahle wena uyakolodwa wena. Because lezi zinto lezi ziphumela emsebenzini.
Mina
Isandla.
mina espa mina
Wena unemali
ngihlukumezekile mina espa mina. It's funny how bazothi mawuyofuna i-footage of into accusela yona azokutshela ukuthi i-footage ayitholakali.
Wangatholakala.
Hayi i-footage ayitholakali.
Mara kutholakala footage emali elahlekile shop.
Mara mina i-footage yami yale warning anginika yona edizi ngikhonini ukuyithola kanjani? Phela mina i-footage ngathola i-warning guys mina.
Okay, sitshele ngalokho.
Bathi ngishaye i-customer nge-rewards card bengi-rude towards i-customer.
Okay. Hayi sisibona.
Okay, urude towards i-customer, ushaye i-customer nge-rewards card, futhi ushiye nemali yomlungu dedeng.
Oh.
Bla. Like uyishiye nje.
Sifuna ukubona le
Yeah.
eshoyo ukuthi
Akunankinga
Hey.
iletha le disciplinary hearing ngithole bekuyini like mangazongiyalo ngazi 12 lezo. And manje ngale 12 zaka November off emsebenzini. Ungifonele yabokubonisa ukuthi hayi angisingi next. Fonela ngithi yayicleanela shem. Woza la manje.
off leso sikhathi. Abasameli nokuthi ufike kusasa.
Yabona ukuthi
bayisende nge-email or
it was issued wrongfully. Hayi ngesikhathi sami on my personal time. On my personal time.
Why bangayisendanga? Bathi uzoyilanda.
Ngicela ungifundele ama-charges
Or bayisenda nge-WhatsApp.
wami.
Ama-charges emali. La cala ngo-1. On Wednesday, 6 November 2024, you were disrespectful, rude towards a customer. Your supervisor, when a customer needed a SPAR reward card for his items, you failed to promote the reward card. The customer and to encourage them to have it as a result of later lamanzi yangisabuni ke manje. Hayi yangisabuni ke le manje. Ene card hayi sabuni manje. Hayi lethelwa amanzi ayibheke le blue le. Hayi lethelwa amanzi le.
Okay, as a result of the customer ended up not purchasing the items. Okay, through your actions you have adversely affected the image of the company. And then on the same day you failed and refused to follow the company sending procedures. You left your working station unattended without permission or authorization.
Thank you. Those were my charges angithi. Mina
Charge like 3.
bangicharge kayi3 awuza lezi zinto abangichargela zona. Okay, ngicela ukukutshela yokuqala. Abathi I failed mina. Ukuprovide SPAR rewards card to i-customer. Okokuqala i-customer mawuthi kulo una rewards card sicha. Uyayifuna ithi yangifuna nomhlolo mina. So mina mele ngenze ngikuforce. First and foremost mina ngithola ngi-training yokuthi
Mele uthole reward card.
Elingafuni rewards card. Ne? Nje bengafuni nje inhlobo, ne? Makathi kimi mina ngidelele i-customer nama supervisor.
Athena futhi ngibona futhi.
Ngicela ubheke i-footage la. Ungitshele ukuthi khona la ngilwa ne-supervisor khona or i-customer lilwa nathi. I-customer that's the footage. Njengobona bakwazi ukuthi ama-footage wethu abawatholi. Mina i-footage le ngithole kanjani if ama-footage angatholi?
Shutha khona ama-footage. So ukuthi vele ayi-proof.
Manje imini. Uwe lo.
yimi loyo
Yana
Ubheke ukuthi
ngasikhathi
customer-
ngizothenga vele bagcokele yena.
ungitshele ukuthi lapho khona la i-customer
Bana uniform. Uniform.
i-customer leyo video futhi I will still distribute it kuma-social media and then ngifuna ama-views wabantu bangitshele ukuthi i-rudeness bayibona kuphi i-customer kusiyilo elithukana because alina-rewards card na
Okay.
so leyo ukuthi they find me guilty yokuthi ngiphume ku-workstation yes I'm asthmatic I'm still shocked ukuthi i-customer lilwa nami yet bazongitshela ukuthi ngishiyeleni i-working station ngiyenzeni mina mase sengiphethwe asthmatic ngihlale ngiquleke emsebenzini
And manje i-argument nayo yabo.
uyabona lo bhuti ukuthi uzokhishwa ama-security estore bazothi mara i-customer lana i-charge yami ukuthi
And manje-
i-customer lihambile
Lingasaphathi. Yeah, na iyo le bengithi
lihambele
yebo.
la lidonswa ama-security
Customer
lapho
ended up not purchasing the item.
and leaving liyahamba i-customer lapho lidonswa ama-security
Oh.
And idonswa security bo.
Yesimbona.
And ubona
Udonso security.
body language yasho ukuthi umuntu uyalwa yabo. I-customer bo la point
Yesimbona.
kuyaliwa.
Yeah, because customer la and i-GP vile.
alidonswa i-security lapho so lento abangichatshele yona lana lento ibona la ku-footage ziyahlangana
Asihlangani because bathi lana customer ended up not purchasing the item.
and leaving
Yeah.
Liyaliva
But
lelo
ngabe bathi
keep
the security ended up dragging the customer away from the till because of the controversy that was happening.
Yeah. Kumele basho kanjani?
Kahle. Manje wena kuba ngathi wena uyi-victim.
no mina
Yena phela
mina ngisilwane kukhruela i-victim
I-customer. Wena uyi-victimizer.
mina ngumhlukumezi
Yeah. Ngesilungu victimizer. Oh. Manje yeah.
manje bayazi ukuthi unayo le footage.
hayi angithi bona bahlezi bathi ama-footage awekho ama-footage athumekile ayitholakali
Manje wena uyithole kanjani?
mina i-footage ngithole kanjani ngithole kubo mina esitolo
Uzitholele yona?
yes
Wazisendela?
angithi mina I need ukuthi ngenzeni which angifuni ukuthi ngibe umuntu come across as onamanga
Yeah.
ukhuluma nje everything
Into ezi-
engiletha forth
ine
I'm bringing
evidence.
up ukuthi
Mine-evidence.
Ine-evidence.
And wenze kahle wathola le footage yazo. So la owakhona bathe i-footage ayikho.
ayitholakali no bathi ayikho i-footage
Wena unayo.
futhi anginayo
Uzitholele
abafuni
phela.
ukunika
Uzitholele.
Futhi kahle kahle uyithole naye yabo.
so that's why ngithi ngicela ama-hawks
Ay-
asazi ukuthi aphethe
Okay,
ubani.
sicela abantu be-Department of Health
Department of Labor ngicela
Nama-Hawks.
ngicela uvula i-case
nama-bookkeeper. Yo, case fraud.
if khona umuntu ozokwazi ukungisiza because lento abayenzekile i-fraud
Oh.
you can't unfairly dismiss me and then ungi-offer a retrenchment letter
Ayenzi sense.
if nazi ama-labor laws
So laphaya ngibona kunenye signature as i-witness. Bekubani i-witness yakho ngalelo langa?
mina yami bengena-witness dali mina
But kune
Manje wayesayine i-witness.
i-witness yilabo
Uwe.
sisibona be-HR lo ukhipha incwadi lo munye we-HR uba i-witness yalo mina kunamuntu
Wena
ongimele
unayo i-witness?
Wena kudlalwa ngawe wena mse.
kunamuntu ongimele mina
Hayi, alothi sigwanyona la.
kunamuntu ongimele mina
Ngiyakutshela ku-victimizer.
Hayi athi sibalele iphepha ke lana.
oh lana yazi ama-message ethu
Oh, ama-chats lawo.
ama-chats lawa
And yazi ibuhlungu kanjani abantwana abayingakho abayespa ba-apply for imisebenzi.
Hey, ubathola basimanje.
Yabona nje, ama-chats nje.
Ama-credit.
Mara
mawufuna
lethi unokuthola amakheshi akwatile. Yazi most amakheshi akwatile.
Yeah.
but guys
Unokubona.
you won't
See.
say ukuthi ngiphume endlini already mangiphuma endlini nenkinga zasendlini
Exactly.
uzofika esitoro la usebenza khona bakuphathe kabi bese uthole kuba nama-customer arude nawo azokuphatha kabi
Nje
at the end of the
nalobaba.
day you are
Noma
human
ngabe angamazi mara wow.
you are
Yeah,
human
umuntu
nawe at the end
nawe.
of the day nawe uyakwata nawe uba frustrated
Uyajabula.
but wena spa mawukhipha lezo zinto lezo wrong
Wrong.
like totally wrong
So kahle kahle into ositshelene ukuthi laphaya akekho umuntu mhlawumbe onimele as staff ukuthi mangabe khona into errong eyenzakala kuwe mhlawumbe akudefend or acheckisise ukuthi what happened to the matter.
no
Futhi nje noma kungayenzakala noma bangahlaba ngempama wrong.
yeah noma ukhanye njengoba
Bazobuza
bekasithuka.
ngibakushayeleni. Hayi ukuthi why ushaya.
yazi mina ngibonani kwenzakalani like ithina zabodaki yabona udaki intwana mangathola a certain position ne uzosebenzisa lo position ku oppressor umunye udaki just ukuthi ufuna ukuchaza umlungu but you are doing a great job. You understand? Mina understand lo system sithola laphi ukuthi maybe no drop ball pen bese uyotshela umlungu hey lo uhlala uyisa ama ball pen. You understand? Ufuna ukucoshwa macoshwa ufuna ukupromote
sina nothi ukuthi futhi size sihlushwa isitomeni enju VJ vele usile vele uneto
Maro VJ nale ndaba yakhe ukuthi
yabona ukhanya
le
uza kutshela thi yena story sakubo and usiprove le point
esakubo vele
akusesakuba ngitshela uchaza umlungu phela
Yachazeka.
Cha, yeah.
Bahlukumezeka
Yeah.
abantu.
mobhekile yena nomlungu ama best friends
angeke uthi
ama best friends
ikula
nekule hey
ikula so mina ngicela ukubuza uhlezi usestore every day ukhanyima kakufuna uyakwazi ukuthola but makufika to ama cases ethu awutholakala uVJ
no bafethe abantu besiswethu mangithoyethe isikhetho mfethe boycott spa sase deep loop enhle yazini zonke ipa because bathi spa beke fruit lovers enhle sase fruit lovers ukuthi ba change branding nje kuphela understand njengoba se rapper apha size ku WhatsApp enkhuluma ngani
so ku WhatsApp usikhuluma the way vele ukubonisa ukuthi lento le it's not about mangithe ukuthi ukhanyima kane personal agenda ku une personal agenda funde wonke la mami uzuyasho she's even bragging ukuthi unqoshile uyabreaka ukuthi ya
izu mara okay
Uke wakuthatha
Kanye why
le.
why okay umenzeni like assess what is self assess umenzeni
khanya kalingani nami kokuqala
wanlwele age
asilingani nje enhloko uyikhulelele emaplazini egijimisela inkukhu ngikhulele la eDiplufu
ugijimisa 3 to 5
mina ngizela nje uma guest ensimbini emabheshini
umamelo papasi
ya understand
Yeah.
ne uyasuka le ngesuitcase yakho uza la
Ena.
umlungu unikeza iphawa waye ungangitshela ukuthi ufuna ini singamantombazana ngitshela ufuna ini
Ayizimangazwa
nginikeza
nayo lokho ukuthi
Ukuthi-
ukuthi sezijikelana zodwa.
hawo
ake ngitshele ukuthi
Mara we
Hayi lekhula ngiyalivuma.
angina next mina angina next mina
Hayi lekhula khona okuwrong.
and ufika back nalekhula liyasho yabo njengoba
No.
le video le beyiphumile ithi yona yeah it's fine she will know me uyahamba ungibizela uhluleka ukungibizela
She will
amaloya
know
ukuthi
me.
angibhadali
Uyamazi.
10,000 but manje because of sengiyakhuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani isipawu zongibizela amaloya amaweza amaloya kavithi angina next guys angina microwave angina sifunana nice next
Sure.
nitenge mina
Sifanana nami,
mina
ba.
nginomntwana ona 14 nakhona futhi yabo unless futhi uzothatha usinenhlanhla mkhulisi ayina lapho uzobancedile uyangibophisa uthi ufuna something yezilo suit thathi la next
Like asisi ukuyakubizela vele it get to that point. Yini why uzobe athi for in.
that is where engifuna khona umphakathi
Vele uthi
ufuna
ukhuluma
ne-social media,
amaqiniso.
ufuna yonke into ukuthi ingitshele ukuthi uhluleka ukungibhadala but then you are willing ukubhadala ilo yi-charge malini
Cabanga.
you are willing
Yo.
ukukhipha more than that money for umuntu ongena next umuntu omzwisa ubuhlungu
Ukubona abantu abakhohlakele nabenza izinto ezirong. Kunokuthi balungise lenkinga. Baba ngezinye eziwese.
Eh.
Ukuthi babe right.
angithi idlozi labo yinkinga
Yeah ne.
like empilweni yakhe akuna solution inkinga amaqeda ukwenza le wenzenye should like i-routine yakhe
Uphila kunkinga.
mina
Problem.
ngiyabulela CCMA guys ngeyi-12 zakamarch
ne
Yeah. No but kumele bakunike imali yakho. And
ngeyi-12
icase
zakamarch
le
I don't mind
kumele bayibheke vele.
I don't mind nanoma ningalibele nihamba nami nifollow I've got nothing to hide guys yeah nayo ayikho nje into engiyahida ngespa
Yeah.
ayikho nje I've got nothing to hide
Isiyadla ama-brands.
yo so singacabanga ukuthi sipaye kuphela kanti nezinye ukuthi abakaveli
usebenze spa ama-months nama-months into nayo i-payslip eyi-1
ohola malini nespa njengoshilo nje mbona i-payslip
mina
yakho
i-payslip eyi-1 mina
So bakunike nje.
wena i-payslip eyi-1
yabona ukuthi ithi ngihole malini ngizokubonisa to the date ukuthi ngahole yabona lani ithi ngihole malini
Yeah.
yabona ukuthi eyanini le payslip le yabona ithi ngihole 5,408 mina ngihole 5,900 ngalelanga le le ngi-300 and banibani ikuphi
Ikuphi?
lana azothi ukhanya ama-sunday uyawabhadala espa
Ah.
abantu bazokutshela abasebenza khona ukhanya only pays for 2 Sundays
Okay.
no khanyi kumele angenele kumele kucime ibani khanyi cime ibani
Akana next. Nayo inkinga ngenyembezi zabantu.
Akana moto.
Nikabona abantu aba corrupt abana next.
Akana fokola.
Uzibuza uthi yapi le mali?
Am describe ukhanye like masingena sembone kahle because kunento esifuna ukuyenza.
Ngimdescribe or ufuna ukumbona?
Ufuna ukumbona.
Ngifuna.
Ifuna cute.
Nayifuna.
Hey.
So nje angeke uze ummese akameseki.
Yeah.
Yo.
Aka uzombona.
Mara bafethu
And
manje.
the funny thing noma icustomer line complaint ithi sicela abantu abaningi abanye bayazi ukuthi uye ophethe store. Sicela usisikhanye sine complaint yokudla siya return noma ivoice or abafuna athi nithi angikho.
Hayibo.
Yeah. Akafuni ukwazakala.
Manje wena prefer ukuthi sikuthenge kuphi ukudla? Because manje asisazi. Yazi mina bengithenga grocery spar.
Umuntu asekhaya mina angifuni ukukhethela abantu ukuthi badle kuphi bayenze.
Yo, and ngithenga spar, yazi?
Ashuthi kuyasiqhubeka nisingamakhulu.
Eish.
Because vele ngathenga ngosemakuleni.
Akuyafana.
Yo,
Ngathenga ngosemakuleni.
mfethu.
Inkinga vele ayithenga khona every month.
Yo. And leso ngihlale ngiphathwe isisu.
Uhlala uzigulela.
Yo, mfethu.
Yo.
Manje kuningi kwethu thina akusiyimngiwani guys, there's kuningi. No. Khanya.
Oh, nyambona lo sisi lona.
Umuzi nayo original.
Yazi bakuphi?
Nenja.
Kolomnyango lo la phambi kweUZ.
Yibo abantu ekumele kube bayasilwela masinenkinga instead sicekwa yibo ngaphakathi. Umuzi ngale.
Unokushaya star black UZ angisho. Athi bow time UZ.
800 rand. Bathi muzi wenu uthini? Mina ngazi next buzana ukhaya. Mara yena uyini original.
Eish.
Ashuthi naye.
Thini manje spange ngisathenga after le episode le.
No, ayispa.
Ayaya.
And for the fact ukuthi sike savalwa ngenxa yawo amagundwane.
So mina
Sibuyile.
i-hygiene nitshela ukuthi bazoyithatha kuphi i-hygiene.
So, ama inspector waye emamall. Kanti imisebenzi yalabantu bayenzani because bayabhadala every month.
Okay, ngitshela ukuthi store esingangespanje sikhulu kanje kune-clean A1. Phela kune-clean A1.
Wena clean A1.
Yeah, umama TK. I think namazuma makhona abaningena lo slender lo hleza
Lo ipansula kanjani? Amandla speaker.
Yana oyi-1 lo ya.
And
Azoclean the whole
slow.
store.
Uqala uclean maybe 2 AM ne.
Ngicela ngapha mawuthapeka sidlela lana inkantini la. Nama toilet ethu la.
TP. Lo mama uclean sonke lesa store lesa.
Clean sonke so
Ayi-1.
uzoqala kuphi ayenze just tell me ukuthi
guys.
Qasha abanye abantu abazothi
Baqashe abantu.
inkinga nje imali.
Imali is not iphela ungakhohlwa imali uVJ ukuthi kunenkinga. Apparently uVJ ngisonitshela mina into beningayazi ngalo baba lo. uVJ le store lesipale sisipase s2 lesi.
Yeah.
uVJ bekane spy Dobsonville.
Yeah.
Savalwa.
Yona.
Why?
Savalwa.
Edobsonville. Yeah.
Savalwa ama cases 1 abantu baya report unfair dismissal which ayonzo ubani ukhanyisile bhengi. Hambane Hipro
Ukhanya
Spa.
futhi lapho khona lapho.
Hambani lekho ngitshela ukuthi lo muntu lona unama we can
Unigigaba.
go to a Hipro Spa buze Hipro Spa ukuthi ukhanyi waba yenzana abantu.
Akujolwana nakhona lapha e-store.
Yabona ezomtshela umntase ekhaya uhethe mina angendawo emtholeni mina yabona into ezongidribula angazi.
Maria uyacabangela.
Yabona mina.
Wena unendaba.
Spa ngisaphinda
Manje
espa.
no boso ngasakudla ukudla kwakhona ne.
Mina ngikaze ngadla ukudla kwaspa ngibona ukuthi bandlisane ngisukeleke ngiyomfelela. Nanoma bebasithengisela ama plate nini ngabo 80 babiza iplate le 50 cabanga iplate leli benibona emini baliyenze 36 rand ntamba manje sisisochase mase bafuna ukugetha rid of ibodi zabo bathengisa iplate nge14 rand noma beliba yi2 rand bengalithengi bengingalithengi amakhekhe wenu labhalwe markdown lapha ya ngithuswa yini
phela mhlawumbe bayenza the same thing.
mina
Okanye nje uthi musa wenkosi.
ngizothini
Yo. Ay, bafethu sesizweni indaba zasespa. Sesizazwa ke my sister ukuthi case yakhe ihamba kanjani isikhathi masichobeka uzobuya for game point uzos update yabo. So abantu ababukele ekhaya into ofuna bakusiza ngayo yini uyigcizelele noma ishilo mara manje ngifuna ishini one take izokwazi ukuba iclip yabo. babhekile abantu abasekhaya bangakusiza ufuna bakusiza ngani kahle kahle
ngicela i-department of health qala cela
Number
ye-spa because
Number
nami
two.
ngihlala eDiepkloof ubaba bami bogogo abo-aunt kuyathenga
Nami.
abantwana
Thina.
nani department of health ngicela ye-spa
Okay.
department of labour ngicela ibheke icase yami le ngiyifayile CCMA bekwe yi-146 sesekuningi abangenze kona ispa ngicela ama-hawks since libele kuthiwa ama-footage awatholakali if there is anybody owazi i-lawyer a very good lawyer ngicela i-assistant ngisafuna ukufayela a good lawsuit uspa
yeah
so ngicela i-lawyer kahle kahle ngicela nje i-lawyer
ne ay bafethu mina igama ngithi niyazo Katlego Ntariana Mula aka uMr Soweto Kafela Motsiba aka Mr Cool himself. Thanks for watching a quarter and chill bafethu from the first minute till the last minute. Mangibona uthi Soweto mangibona ngizothi Sikhetho entwana yami thina masamba la ekhaya yabo ngithi Soweto bese abantu bathi Sikhetho yangithola so Soweto Sikhetho awabashange yakhe yeah ibona lento
It's your girl, Umadlala, aka Zoeza Sigel,
Sabakho ukukhuluma uzubuhlungu
yeah lamntana lo yaphe ngithola ithiwa next month nge-Cape Town ngiyamshiya shela yona lento ayenza
awugibeli ndiza.
yangazi
Ngihamba ngebhasi ngishiya.
all private jets we don't park we land
Oh, aka siyangilenda eCape Town. Danko, Soweto, Sikhetho.